Cyrus. How are you, mate?
I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yeah.
Now, we've been getting ready to do the Vought Express test, haven't we?
Yeah.
And you've had, what, 30 or 40 lessons somewhere else?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah,
30 or 40 or 50?
I think it's 30 or 40 something. Yeah.
30 or 40.
Mm-hmm.
And what did you just say to me about the difference in teaching?
Yeah. He's teaching more easier way than my previous instructor.
Ah,
Yeah.
see, the people can't hear you too well.
Yeah.
So I'm teaching you a much more easier way than your previous instructor.
Yeah.
Well, maybe he didn't want you to learn too quick. That's why he wanted you to have 40 or 50 lessons.
Yeah.
You reckon? Could be this?
It's too expensive for me to spend money in the previous instructor.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you see the big difference? Are you happy with what you're doing here?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's a lot of skills, but it's much more easier.
Ah, good.
Yeah.
Well, we'd like to welcome you and wish you all the best in your driving test.
Okay.
And we'll see how you go a little later on.
Okay.
Okay, thanks for that, Cyrus.
Yeah.
See you, mate.
See ya.